Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting now? Unlock the phone and keep it awake. Open Settings and go straight to Battery. Use the search bar if you prefer the fastest route. Once in Battery, look for More Battery Settings or Battery Optimization. This is where OnePlus places the Optimized Charging control. You need local access and no external apps. Pause only long enough to confirm you're in the correct submenu before continuing to the actual toggle. Now, focus, tap More Battery Settings. You'll see Optimized Charging listed. It may be on by default to extend battery lifespan. Disable the toggle. The system may warn you about potential faster degradation, but not immediate danger. If a confirmation appears, accept it to turn the feature off. Once disabled, charging will use the regular algorithm, which charges immediately instead of pacing for your schedule. Make sure the toggle shows off before exiting settings. Finish by verifying the toggle stays off. Close settings, then reopen battery to confirm. Once done, monitor the next charge to ensure charging begins immediately. If it won't disable, clear the Settings app cache or install any pending system updates, because OS bugs can restore defaults. As a last resort, back up your data and reset system settings. This usually fixes persistent toggles. If problems persist, contact
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.